Meaning of drapery.
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 Drapery. Drapery refers to fabric or cloth that is used to cover or adorn windows, walls, furniture, or other surfaces. It is often used for decorative purposes and can add texture, color, and personality to a space. Drapery can come in a variety of styles and materials, such as silk, cotton, linen, and polyester. It can be hung in numerous ways, including curtains, blinds, and shades. Drapery can also provide privacy, insulation, and light control. Overall, drapery is an essential element of interior design that can add beauty and function to any room.